So when treating scarring, whether that be scarring due to injury, it could be on your face, it could be on your body, or whether it be due to acne scarring, which is one of the most common treatments we actually treat here at the salon. What's happened is when you've had these breakouts or when you've caused any injury, the collagen within that area is actually being damaged and it's being broken down. So when this happens, when your collagen is damaged, whether it's broken, it will actually leave either discoloration on the surface, which a lot of acne scarring sufferers get that kind of pinky purpley type colouring on their skin, or worst case scenario is that it will actually leave a pitting within the skin, whereas you can actually see the dips within the skin. So because this collagen has actually been broken or it's been damaged, we have to physically stimulate and create brand new collagen growth. So in order to do that, we have to actually create almost like wounds to the skin in order to encourage your skin to naturally reheal and rebuild itself. So in order to do that, the very, very best treatment is going to be our Skinpen medical microneedling. Reason being is we use super fine, tiny little needles that will create thousands and thousands of perfect precision little holes all over the skin. Now, don't worry when I say needles, because you are completely numb, so it's completely pain-free, you won't feel anything. But why we need to do this is by creating tiny little wounds all over the skin, paying particular attention to where you are suffering with that scarring, where you've got that discoloration, where you've maybe got that pitting. By causing these wounds to the skin, naturally your skin wants to reheal itself. It will go into its wound healing process, and as soon as it can, it will start to create brand new collagen, it will create brand new skin cells and entirely rebuild and remodel itself. So the reason this is so important when treating scarring is because, like I said, that collagen is broken and it's damaged. If we can create brand new collagen, if we can create brand new skin, it's going to entirely grow and heal itself. Now, in my previous video, you've seen that I shared that the Skinpen is completely certified across the board. It's a medical device and it is FDA cleared. And one of the reasons it is FDA cleared is because they need to show scientific evidence that there are improvements from this treatment. So there has to be evidence there are significant improvements to the skin. And Skinpen has actually been proven to increase your collagen by 400%, which is huge. So that's why it is the best treatment to rebuild that scarring, completely diminish it, completely get rid of that discoloration, completely get rid of all of that sort of that pitting on the skin as well. So depending on the type of scar tissue that we're possibly dealing with, or the depth of the scarring that you're suffering with, will depend on how hard or how deep we work your skin. So what will happen is during the treatment we completely numb the area, so you don't feel a thing throughout the process. Then during the treatment, we do gentle gliding over the skin, going in motions backwards and forwards, up and down, creating these thousands and thousands of tiny little puncture wounds. Following the treatment, you will be quite red, and this is a good thing. We want you to be red. We really want to stimulate that blood circulation. So we do advise that you don't have any plans for the rest of the day, just take the day off. But then what will happen is over the next 30 days, your skin will then start to reheal itself, start rebuilding itself, and that brand new collagen will begin to grow through. So over that 30-day period, you will start to see all these improvements coming in, you'll start to see your scarring diminishing, but actually, although over that 30-day period you will see these results coming in, it will actually continue growing. Your collagen and your new skin will continue growing for up to 6 months following your treatment. So although you get great results at the beginning, you're going to have even better results later on down the line. So depending on the severity of your scarring, one thing we get asked a lot of is, how many treatments am I going to need? You know, is one treatment sufficient? And yes, for some people, if it's very, very minor scarring, 1 or 2 treatments, will be absolutely fine. Others that have deeper scarring, deeper discoloration issues, may need 3 treatments, may possibly need up to 6, depending on that severity. Now, 6 treatments is generally for a very, very severe case of scarring. So yeah, what's best is, if this is something that does get to you, if you've lived with scarring for a long time or discoloration and you've always been led to believe you can't do anything about it, well, you can. So get in touch with us. Send me a DM now. If you want to attach some photos, you can. It's completely confidential. They won't be shown to anybody, but we can have a really good look at them. We can give you some advice, and we can also get you in for an in-salon skin consultation as well. We can have a really, really good chat about your skin, what your skin needs, and what results we can get for you.